Now, in our previous lesson, when we looked at formatting prints, we looked at using arguments with the curly brackets to dynamically set that in our print macros. Can we do the same thing with variables instead of arguments? Well, we absolutely can. We absolutely can. And it's quite similar. So let me show you how we could do that. We could say print ln, okay? And I could say my current investor portfolio is managed by, and then here I bring in that curly bracket. So now it's going to look for an argument that's going to come after the string. Well, which variable do you think we should use? Well, if I'm looking through here, I would say that financial management is a pretty darn good choice, because that would be the Bank of America, right? So I'm going to go ahead and go with financial management. We're going to end our expression. And if we just run this, let me just run this code here. Take a look at the compiler. If we look down, we see my current investor portfolio is managed by Bank of America. That's in our standard output, right? And so we see here that we've set up a variable of financial management to Bank of America, which is a string type, and now we are printing the result. So this is variables and data type. This is what it is. If you're getting this, then you understand this in Rust. Now, we could do the same thing for the credit score and the account. So how would that look? Well, let's just print these out. Credit score is, and it's going to be very similar, right? So we're going to, put in the curly brackets here. And this should be credit score. And we also want to have our account active. So we could say account active. And we're going to set that to account active, right? And indenting is always important. So let's put these prints together. There's no reason for them to be indented. All right, let's go ahead and run these. So we see now that we have my current investor portfolio is managed by Bank of America. My credit score is set up to 800 and account active is set to true. And that's 3 different types of variables that are being assigned and then printed with the macro of print line. And this is how all these things work together in harmony, right? And so hopefully this is quite clear. Hopefully this is quite clear. Now, if you're a little unsure, just go through it, take your time. Whenever you're ready, let's do an exercise together and go through a solution. Okay, see you in the next video.